In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can recover a deleted blog post from a Wix website. Let's go ahead and let's get to work.
All right, now the first thing that you need to do is click on the blog menu option in the sidebar. Next, you want to click on the Manage Posts button. And then you want to click on the trash header at the top of this page. This is going to bring you into the recycle bin. Now you can see here that I have several blog posts that I have deleted. Now, if you want to restore an individual post, just hover your cursor over that post and you'll notice that the restore button appears. Go ahead and click on it. And you can see here at the top of your screen that the success message is displayed and that the post was restored and moved to drafts.
If you're finding this video helpful, be sure to check out my other Wix tutorials. I have an entire YouTube playlist dedicated to answering frequently asked questions about how to use Wix. I've included a link to that playlist in the description of this video below, or you can just click that card in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Now let's get back to work.
Now, if you want to restore multiple, you can simply check all of the blog posts that you would like to restore, and then you can click on the restore header. And again, you can see here the message that reads post restored and moved to drafts.
So that's it. In this video, I demonstrated how you can recover a blog post that was deleted from a Wix website. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit that thumbs up below and be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on the latest tutorials that I publish. I'm Louis Yacobelis. Thanks for stopping by. Talk soon.